Preventing unwanted midnight smoke alarm triggers.
Hello everyone! Have you ever been jolted awake by your smoke alarm going off for seemingly no reason in the middle of the night? Today, we're going to discuss how to prevent these unwelcome false alarms. Let's get into it.
Why do false alarms happen?
Understanding the reasons behind false alarms can help in preventing them. Here are some common causes. 1. Dust or insects. Dust particles or small insects can sometimes get inside the alarm and trigger it. 2. Humidity or steam. High humidity or steam from a nearby bathroom can sometimes be mistaken by the alarm as smoke. 3. Low battery. Sometimes, an alarm's way of letting you know its battery is low is by chirping or going off. 4. Old alarm. If your alarm is over 10 years old, it might be more prone to false triggers due to its sensors degrading over time.
How can I prevent these alarms?
Now that we understand the reasons, here are some preventive measures. 1. Regular cleaning. Use a vacuum cleaner or compressed air to clean the smoke detector once every couple of months to prevent dust buildup. 2. Location. Make sure your alarm is not too close to bathrooms or kitchens where steam can trigger it. Ideally, it should be at least 10 feet away from cooking appliances. 3. Battery check. Replace batteries at least once a year. If your alarm is chirping, it's usually a sign that the battery needs replacement. 4. Replace old alarms. If your alarm is over 10 years old, it's a good idea to replace it. This ensures that you have a reliable alarm with up-to-date sensors. 5. Invest in a quality alarm. Some alarms come with features that reduce false triggers, such as photoelectric sensors that are less sensitive to steam.
What if my alarm still goes off?
In the rare case that you've taken all the precautions and your alarm still goes off, 1. Don't panic. Check for actual threats first. If there's no fire, proceed to the next steps. 2. Reset your alarm. Sometimes, simply pressing the reset button can help. 3. Air it out. If it's due to steam or cooking smoke, opening a window or using a fan can help clear it out. Unwanted alarms in the middle of the night can be quite a hassle, but with these steps, you can significantly reduce the chances of false triggers. Sleep tight, and remember to always prioritize safety. We hope this video was helpful.